Welcome, children. Take out your geography book. Natural vegetation of the world. Today's topic is tropical grassland or savanna or Sudan climate. Location. The savannas or Sudan climate is a transitional type of climate found between the equatorial forest and tropical desert. Now, savannas or Sudan climate, where it is, what it is a transitional type of climate, and where it is found in the equatorial forest or the tropical forest. Most of savanna lands are located between the latitude 10 degree to 20 degree north, and most of the savanna lands, where they are located between the latitude, that is 10 degree north to 20 degree north and south area. The savanna type is found in the southern continents, and all the regions are to the south of tropical. Now, savanna type, where it is found in the southern continent, and all the regions, they are to the south of the Tropic of Cancer. Now, South America, Brazil highlands, part of Bolivia, Paraguay and Argentina. The highlands regions are considered separately. Now, South America, what does it comprises of? It comprises of Brazilian highlands, parts of Bolivia, Paraguay and Argentina, and the highlands region, they are considered separately. Now, Central America, Cuba, Jamaica and island in the Pacific. Now, Central America, what does it comprise of? It comprises of Cuba, Jamaica and island in the Pacific. Africa, the Sudan, large parts of the newly formed republic. Now, it's largely parts of newly republic, that is Senegal, Geneva, Mali, Niger, Chad, and also in Ghana, Mozambique, Togo, Kenya, Tanzania, Rhodesia, Angola and Uganda. Now, Sudan, it is part of newly formed republic. It includes Senegal, Guyana, Mali, Niger, Chad and also in Ghana, Mozambique, Togo, Kenya, Tanzania, Rhodesia, Angola and Uganda. Now, Australia, the northern region and Queensland. Now, on Australia, it comprises of the northern region and the Queensland. Temperature. Summers are hot and wet, and winters are dry as the region lies within the tropic. Now, summer season, it is very hot and even wet. And winter season, they are too dry, as this region, it lies within the tropic. There is sunshine for almost 13 to 14 hours, and humidity is low. Now, sunshine almost remains 13 to 14 hours, and humidity is very low. The year is hot and dusty. And what type of year it is? Year is very hot, dry, and even it is very dusty. Daily range of temperature is high. The average monthly temperature during the dry season ranges between 22 degree and 37 degrees Celsius. Now, daily range of temperature, it remains high, and the average monthly temperature during the dry season, it ranges between 22 degree and 37 degree. The highest temperature are recorded just before the rainy season. And example, Sudan. Now, highest temperature, when it is recorded, they are recorded just before the arrival of rainy season. Example, Sudan. During rainy season, the temperature comes down to 21 degree and 26 degrees. Now, during rainy season, what happens? The temperature, it comes down to 21 degree and 26 degree Celsius. Now, here comes the precipitation. The Sudan type of climate, it is characterized by an alternate hot rainy season. Now, Sudan type of climate, it is characterized by alternate hot rainy season and even cool dry season. In the northern hemisphere, the hot rainy season normally begins in May and lasts until September. Now, normally what happens during the this hot rainy season, it normally starts during the May, and it remains up to September. Rainfall varies from 25 to 150 centimeter and is usually under level. Now, rainfall varies from 25 centimeter to 150 centimeter, and it is usually unreliable. The rest of the year is cool and dry. Rest of the year it remains cool and dry. Rainfall decreases as one goes either towards the north in the northern hemisphere or south in the southern hemisphere. Drought is very common. Now, northern hemisphere, what happens? Rainfall. The rest of the year it remains cool and dry, and rainfall, what happens? It decreases when it goes either towards the north in the northern hemisphere or towards the south in the southern hemisphere. And the drought, that means drought is very common. Now, natural vegetation. The tropical wet and dry climate is called the savanna after its typical vegetation. Example, grassland. The grass is tall and cool. Now, tropical wet and dry climate. What it is called? It is called savanna. And after this, typical vegetation, that is grassland. The grassland, what is it? What type of grasslands are found? It's very tall and even coarse. Most of the trees are deciduous and shed their leaves during the, now most of the trees, what are they? They are very deciduous trees and they shed their leaves during the dry season. The trees have longer roots so that they can avail water during, now trees, what type of roots they have? They have very long roots and they can avail water during the dry season. Near the equator, there are higher grasses and trees are taller. Now near the equator, what happens? You can find there are higher grasses and even trees are taller. Towards the arid margin, the grass is shorter, the height of the trees diminishes and they are well scattered. Now towards the arid area, that means in deserted area, the grasses, what type of grasses are found? That is very short grasses are found. The height of the trees, they are also very low and they are even scattered. Human habitation in tropical grassland. Life in tropical grassland area. The tropical grasslands are known by different names in different parts of the world. Now, tropical grassland has different names in different parts of the world. The tropical grasslands are known by different names. They are called Llanos in Venezuela, Campos in Brazil, Savanna in North Africa, and Veld in South Africa. Say Llano in Venezuela, these tropical grasslands are called the Llanos. Brazil, it is called Campos. North Africa, it is called Savanna, and South Africa, it is called Veld. The tropical grasslands of the world are identified by natural cattle country. Now, tropical grassland, how they are identified? By the natural cattle country. The tropical grasslands allow tall coarse grass. Now, they allow what type of grass they allow? Tall coarse grass, which has led to cattle rearing, and this has even led to cattle rearing. This is the only occupation of the people. Now, this is the only, that means cattle rearing is the only occupation of the people of grassland, tropical grassland in Llanos of Venezuela. Cattle are reared for meat, skin and hide. Now, Llanos of Venezuela, cattle. Why they rear cattle? To get their meat, skin and hide. In dry season, there is shortage of water and the cattle fall victim to pest and disease. Now, dry season, what happened? Due to shortage of water, the cattle get victim to pest and even diseases. As the cattle rearing is still in subsistence level and has not done well in commercial way, because the cattle rearing, it is still remains in subsistence level and they do not and has not done anything well on the commercial basis. Now, in the Campos of Brazil, cattle rearing is done on commercial basis and the region is a big exporter of meat, wool and skin. But in the Campos of Brazil area, cattle rearing, it is done on commercial basis, that means on industrial basis, you can tell business level. The region, the region is a very big exporter of meat, wool and skin. However, because of long dry season, the cattle are not good quality. Now, as the long dry season prevails in this part, so cattle found here is not of good quality. In the savannas of North Africa, cattle rearing is done on an extensive scale. Now, in the savannas of North Africa, cattle rearing, it is done on extensive scale. The animals include cow, sheep and what animals are there? That is cow, sheep and goats. Sheep and goats are reared mainly for skin, and sheep and goats, they are reared mainly for skin and wool. The progress of the occupation is very slow because of lack of good transport system leading to low demand and because of pest and disease. Now, progress of this occupation, it is very slow. Why? Because there is lack of good transport system and this led to low demand and because of pest and diseases. Now, in Wales of South Africa, cattle rearing is done by white people. Cattle and sheep are also reared. So some indigenous tribe, The famous merino wool comes from this region. There is no surplus of animal products for trade. Now, wealth of Africa, cattle rearing. In this part, cattle rearing. White people does the cattle rearing, and cattle as sheep, they are also reared for indigenous tribes. And the famous merino wool, they come from this part only, and there is no surplus of, and there is no surplus of animal products for trade. Now, in Australia, tropical grasslands are found in areas where annual rainfall is between 50 degree to 100 degree centimeter. Now in Australia, tropical grasslands, they are found in areas where annual rainfall, it is between 50 to 100 centimeter. The beef, cattle, goat and sheep are abundant. Now beef, cattle and goat, they are found in abundant quantity. Large quantities of beef, wool and hides are produced in this region. Now too much means huge quantities of beef, wool and hides, they are produced in this region. Now take out your diary, write natural vegetations of the world, topic tropical grassland, explain, homework, revise it. And with this I am ending my today's class.